Hi, this is Sarah here. Let's talk about making money with motivational YouTube shorts using ChatGPT and Canva. This is totally free. You don't have to pay for any subscription fee on any of the apps. Also, you don't need a laptop to do this. All you have to do is use your mobile phone. If you're interested in making motivational content and making YouTube your profitable career, then this video is for you. Whether you're just starting out as a motivational content creator or you're already working on this video will help you in many ways. I show you some example channels who are working in this niche and have a big number of followers. You can be one of them with some effort and following some good strategies. Here you can see the example for motivational quotations shorts. This short here has 116 million views. Another example, this one here, inspirational line, has 77 million views. And here you go, another one with 47 million views. Let's have a look at channels now. This channel here with the name Beautiful Quotes and Stories has 1.04 million followers, subscribers, and this one here with the name Quotes has 854k subscribers. I will show you the whole process of how you can get the content you need from ChatGPT and how you can turn it into YouTube shorts in Canva. Open ChatGPT in your mobile and type positive quotes. And here you see how quickly ChatGPT is giving you the quotations. If you don't like any of these quotations, you can press on regenerate answers and it will give you more options here. Choose any of the quotations you like and you want to put in your YouTube short. I'm just going to select any of these here to show you how you can make it a YouTube short in Canva. Let's copy this one. Open Canva in your mobile from mobile application and type quotes video in the search bar. You will see different free and paid templates here. We need to select a free template, the vertical one, not the horizontal one, because we are making a YouTube short. I have chosen this red one here. Edit text and paste the text you have copied from ChatGPT. You can make many changes here. You can change the font size, font color, video background color, and different things. You will see the options down there. When you think your YouTube short is ready, you have changed the font and everything you want to change, just download it. If you want to add voiceover in your YouTube short, you need to open Canva in your desktop or laptop, but as I said that we will be making this in mobile phone, so open any of the video editor in your mobile and add your voice in this. Or if you don't want to add any voice, you can just upload it in YouTube with background music. So here I have added my voice and saved it, so this YouTube short is ready to upload on your YouTube channel. ChatGPT helps in different ways. It not only gives you the content for making YouTube shorts, but it also helps in video optimization. It gives you the title suggestions, you can choose the one you like, and also it gives you the tags which you can put in your video. ChatGPT provides you with the best tags for your YouTube videos. Open ChatGPT and ask, please give me tag suggestions for any of the videos you have made. I'm writing positive quotes and you will see how quickly it's giving a full list of tags. Then it can also help you in the description for your YouTube shorts or video. I'm typing description for the short video positive quotes and you can see here it has given me a full description for my YouTube short. Thank you so much for watching. Please look after yourself and others around you. Also, please subscribe my channel for more learning and earning videos. Bye.